These Afghan hooks come in a set with a nice little pouch. I love that touch with the logo in the front, very cute. And look how flexible the cable is. There's a stopper at the end, and they come in a set of 13. And what I love the most is those bigger sizes. They have a spot for your thumb, and I did enjoy that spot when I was crocheting. And I started a cardigan, so I started the back of my cardigan. It just slides beautifully. And I'm able to fit all of my stitches for the back of my cardigan just fine, and I still have some more space. This way all my stitches are safe and I can pack my work just like this. A quick disclaimer here, I received this product free to try.